Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we are.
We're out.
We've got a mate with us today, Andrew. This is.
Oh
Yeah, we're
He's going to show us a few things.
Yeah, hopefully. He's been here last night. He came, didn't he, mate?
Last night. Yeah.
Last night, we had about 7, didn't you?
7.
Seven, yeah. Biggest one we had earlier. I will put a picture on. We only got a picture from it, but yeah, £18.
No, 17.
17, yeah. It's only bad. But here we are at Gedney, down at Northview Lakes on the Specimen Lake today. Yeah, so it's bank holiday weekend, and
yeah, we just got on.
We just got on. Yeah, you know, it's been very busy lately on here, and there is signs of spawning about now. But yeah, we're going to see what we can do. We're all set up, all 3 of us together, and yeah, it's very busy. Sun's out.
Jim's got his guns out.
My guns are out. Well, it's the lad over there has, but I don't want to show you because you might
strip right down.
Yeah, he has.
Like he's in Benidorm.
Anyway, we'll
get a few.
Yeah. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification button as well, so you don't miss further content that we do.
We have 50% of the viewers are not even subscribers.
There we go.
So get subscribing.
Yeah.
Help. Yeah.
Get on with it.
I'm not going to come anymore.
Yeah. We'll catch you in a bit. Here we go. First one of the session. It's Craig's in. Where's your net? Just in the margins he was on this one, on his left hand rod. Not popped up yet, has it? You got it? He's giving a fight though, isn't he? It's not popping up yet. Where do they come from? How's it feel, Craig? Yeah? Yeah, not bad. He's in. It's a nice one. Good start. Hey, shut up. It's only been an hour. What was it on?
Little wafter.
Little wafter.
Wafter, whatever what are they called? Oh, and one of my homemade PVA ball bags.
Oh yeah, he made some ball bags over the...
I'm never going to make them again, I'm just going to buy them. Too much hard work.
Here we go then. I don't know, £12 I'm going.
It's 9. Minus 2.2.
12.12 on there, so you're...
10.
10. 10. So you're alright. Well done.
Just over 10. Yeah. We used to do this thing, Jimmy Waves.
Yeah, you used to do Jimmy Waves. I used to be spot on most of the time, but it's hard to tell these days.
Yeah.
There we go, let's get some pictures. Yep, there we go. Getting back then. And getting that side. Yeah, lovely. Good start, mate. Good start. It's my turn now. That's in the margin. That's it. That's where I might put him this side. You know, that's right. Go to my rod then. Go to my bait, mate. There we go. There we go. Oh, here we go. Craig in again. The margin. You said it's a babby.
Well, do you want the little net? Yeah. Little net. I'll bring that just in case, don't we? Yeah, it's much easier, isn't it?
There we go.
No babby. Won't weigh him.
No.
I can tell just by looking at it, it's about £20.
Swimming trunks.
Losing my rig for that
Little biddy, and Andy's going in. Way up the stingers there.
Fucking sharp.
Off he goes.
What's it like? Did you need to turn the temperature up a little bit? Bit colder than I thought, yeah.
Oh dear. Things you do to save the gear. Got it?
You got the fish? No. Everyone stood up out their chairs thinking you got fucking 36 pounder out there. Or no, 40. Fucking thing, eh?
Yes. Look at these legs. How we doing, people? Bit of an update. It's just gone 2 o'clock. Oh, Craigie boys.
No, I'm awake.
He's awake. Okay, it's nice weather now. You know, we've had it where it's been cloudy, had a little bit of rain earlier. Andy tried doing a zig, but he's changed back to... No, he didn't give it much effort, but he did try. But he's gone back to normal now.
He has been swimming twice.
Yeah, he has been. He has been swimming twice. Yeah, he got caught up in the weeds twice in the margins, and it was, you know, like you say, it's not nice to leave a hook in the fish's mouth. So he decided to try and get it out, and both times it snapped you off, didn't it?
I just couldn't get it out of the reeds. I don't think the hook was left in the fish. In
No.
the end, it was left in the reeds. But...
Yeah. But no.
But has any of you ever known when you go fishing to pack your swimming trunks?
Yeah. He come along with his swimming trunks. It was like a scene out of Superman. Into the bivvy, out, and there comes Superman in his swimming trunks, like he's at the beach or something. But no, it was comical. But yeah, just gone 2 o'clock, like I said. I've had 1, you've had 2, haven't you? So yeah, we're gonna carry on. I've changed a bit of tactics. I wasn't getting much down in the margins, so I've gone both out with both of mine now, solid bags. And oh, Craig's off, I think. So yeah, catch you soon. Hey, he's out. Only a little tiddler. We're just talking about him going in twice.
I think it is just little tiddlers, and what they're doing is they're going right into the edge, wrapping themselves around all the reeds, and then I just can't get me hook off.
Yeah.
How little is it? You can just tiny, mate. Yeah, lift it out. Yeah. I just don't want to pull its mouth off like a
No, where's the net?
Should have bought my little net.
Yeah, should bought your little one.
Well, I was going to say I had a fish earlier, but we didn't want to count it because it was only about ½ a pound.
Yeah.
Here's another one.
Here's another one for you. A fish is a fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
At least you have to get in there this time. I'll get out of the way.
At least he didn't nick me rig. He's in again. In the margins. Oh, this one was out. Was it out? Yeah. This one was right out. So we've all swapped up again. I've gone back in the margins, and looks like Andy's fucking gone out. Oh, swearing again. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, that's about 10, isn't it, or more? Do you want to have a look with the camera or not?
Yeah.
14.76.
Really?
With the net, with the sling, but my sling's
3.8.
3.8, yeah.
14, 13, 12, 11.
11 something.
11 and a half. Andy's on, but for you, a faint heart, he's had to get in the water again, so he's in his swimming trunks. It's funny though. We're in.
Right. Yeah, nice.
It's grub time. After Andy caught that fish,
Spag bowl garlic bread.
spag bowl, garlic bread. There we go. Looking forward to it, mate.
What more can people ask on this channel?
Right.
Spag bowl, garlic bread, Andy in his trunks.
And a half-naked man. And there you go, women.
All men.
Yeah, all
Waiting for us this day and age.
Hey, there we go.
Well, he's flexing now, look.
His name's Andy. If you want his number, let me know.
Look at him. He's giving it big guns now, look. Well, bloody Andy's in again. I'm starting to not like this guy. I'm joking. Alright, boys? So I weren't slagging you off, Andy, at all. Yeah, I was. But yeah, he's in again. Here he comes, here he comes. She's in.
There we go.
Just remember he's got his shorts on, make sure his PVA balls are not hanging out.
Yeah.
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 Lovely.
Actually, I reckon that's less than, definitely less than 10. Do you reckon? How you picked it up?
Yeah, no. 12.8 with a net. I mean, with a swing.
Yeah.
That'd be 9.
9. 9-2.
Yeah.
So
Yes, Craig.
There we go. I'm back
Who
on.
wins
This,
that one?
this should change it to instead of Jimmy Ways, Craigie Ways.
See that, mate?
There you go, mate. Another one for you, bud.
Andy's in again. Starting to get annoyed with this bloke. I said that too loud.
Yeah, I think I heard that.
Did you?
This is a good fight, though.
There he goes, in the weeds.
Good bending them, mate.
Yeah, I'm pulling him harder because I want to go into that other line.
Oh, he's a 10,
12,
12, yeah.
I think.
Oh, that's a 13 plus. So that'll be 16 on your scales.
And Craig's in. That's his third.
Oh, it looks nice.
Pull that line out, boy. Go on.
No, it looks nice. Don't lose him. Make sure.
Hello. Well, you got over there quick, didn't he?
Make sure your tension's all set all right.
In case you didn't know, Jimmy's in, look.
Fucking shit, mate.
Hey, language.
see.
Look at him telling me I swear a lot. Listen at him. Look at him. Oh, that's a little good one on there now.
You're in. It's in, boy.
That's a 20, surely.
Robin Red. The old faithful. Single
20.
Single Robin Red.
Was it?
Yep. Oh, Jesus, man.
Oh, that's not your PB though, Jim.
20 and 4 ounces.
Okay.
20 and 4 ounces I'm going.
24, 22.
24
22 exact.
22
£22. Nice.
It's him, boys.
Yes, Jimmy.
Been 9 years, have you?
Look.
Oh, that's good. Good photo, isn't it?
Look at that.
That's coming out nicely, that is, Jimmy.
Well, here we go again. Guess what? It's Andy again. Getting fed up with this.
I think Andy better put his trunks back on because he's getting pushed it.
Well, end of the day, he's found the spot. He's baited it well. He's got his tactics well. And in for another one.
Basically, he's only putting his rod out and then putting a couple of handfuls of free offerings and that.
Yeah.
But he's been on it all day in that same
spot.
Yep. Yep. No, it's a common this time. And we're in. It's midnight pot noodle time. So, a surprise for me tonight it is.
Yeah, do you want to go? I'm going to let him pick. I don't know if it actually is a county. Do you want to go Japanese or Singapore?
I go Japs. Japanese.
Yeah, mate.
So what have we got here? Japanese curry. A sober one. There we go. What you got, Andy?
I've got katsu curry.
Oh, yeah.
You've had
Pot
them,
noodle
yeah?
fusions.
I love
Seen
them.
one of them.
I like these.
Yeah.
Comes in, man. I've got Singapore style curry.
Well, these are the ones that I've got to tip upside down and empty.
No, just put the lid on to.
Oh, keep it warm. Right, here we go then.
It might not be ready yet, actually.
Here we go.
We have 2 minutes of video where it's not waiting. It's like crunchy.
It smells good.
I know this one.
Yeah, I love that one. Update.
Andy's had a good session,
Andy's
hasn't
had a
he?
cracking session.
So, you?
Yeah, I've caught the biggest.
Yeah.
You got the biggest session.
£22.
Oh yeah, 17, wasn't it?
Lovely mirror. Yeah. Crack into these then, shall we?
You're just going to wait till
Morning.
Morning.
no. Probably like
3 in the morning.
in the next hour, I'd say.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll be your turn for £20.
Yeah, we've literally sat in the furthest bivvy away from the person that hasn't got a receiver.
You need to get a bit. You need to get a bit further over this way to be in the camera. Anyway, people, if it's your first time watching the videos, then
Yeah, look what you got to put up with.
please go ahead and subscribe because it's free. So why not do it?
Now we got a new guy who's going to teach us a few extra little things. Why are you laughing, bless him? Look.
shows
It
how
does.
shows how to catch a fish.
Because we're just basic fishermen, and to meet people like, I don't want to blow his own trumpet, but to meet people like Andy who knows a little bit more than we do, it's just really nice. Do you know what I mean? It's really nice for people to be told different ways.
We've learned a few things today, to be fair, with Andy being here.
Yeah, I've learned that Andy's an arsehole. I don't want to come fishing with him anymore. But no, yeah.
No, you'll probably see him more on the videos anyway, because he said he'd like to come along again with us and stuff. So yeah, we're hoping to get down to Crowland next time, and down at the Syndicate, and do a session down there. Probably the only time we've been down there, it was only a day session, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So
we haven't done a night yet, well.
no, we haven't. That's what I'm saying. We'll end up doing a night session down there. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
It's been good.
Hit the notification button so you don't miss that one.
Right, I'm in with mine.
I am. I like this one.
Yeah.
Not much flavour in mine, to be fair.
Ready in 3 minutes. You know, that's a good one.
Or 53 minutes if you're using my kettle.
I think mine tastes even longer than yours did.
I didn't think it took that long tonight, to be fair. Your kettle. It's not that busy, to be fair, is it? I thought it'd be a lot busier than what it is on here. There's a couple.
It's an odd day though, isn't it? It's like bank holiday,
Yeah.
Monday, Sunday.
Did you any enjoy the coronation and watch it? Because I didn't.
Yeah, I watched a little bit of it.
Did you? I went to a zoo. Met my family. But no. Good one, this is. Thank you very much. Nice surprise for me.
Thanks for bringing us along on the session as well. It's been
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you for coming.
Enjoyed it.
It's been a good one. I've known Andy for a little while, to be fair, and we chatted a lot. We're on Facebook and stuff. Always kept saying we'll make a session out of it, and we've
Finally got round to it.
finally got round to it, and hopefully we'll do it again soon.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'll give mine 7 out of 10.
Would you?
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I do like this one.
I'm going for 5.5.
5.5. Not that good.
Not one of your favourites.
No. What about yourself? What you like that one?
That's
Is it?
one of my favourites.
So what?
So 9.
9?
Give
Yeah, I
it a good,
like that one.
give it a good
Yeah.
rating.
So, there we go. If we don't see you again now, tonight, we'll see you in the morning.
We'll see you again tonight because Andy's going to catch another one. Yawn.
Yeah, but that's if I decide to put it on the video because I've had enough of him catching.
Well, Jim's in. I've got to hold the actual camera properly now because it's not got the stand.
Oh, it looks like a ghosty, doesn't it? It looks like a ghosty. Oh, don't go that way, mate.
Well, you caught up now, isn't it? This will be the
Yeah,
third.
this will be the third. Don't speak too soon.
Hopefully it breaks off. Ah, it's a babe. I'm going to put the camera away now. Look at the size of it.
It's still probably like 6 or 7 pounds.
That's small.
Still heavy.
That's smaller than my Marvel socks.
He's bigger than we think.
Look at the Marvel socks. See, look.
You still ain't coloured them in yet.
Oh.
No, need to paint by numbers tomorrow. That's a ghost. Is that a ghost?
No, I don't think it is. No.
Go on, Jim. Get it in here. It weighs about £3. Ah, it's a babby. I'm going to turn the camera off now. I don't know.
Thinking what you think, boys.
That's a 6.
Yeah. Come on, mate.
That's a good picture, that.
Yeah?
Yep.
Put it down,
I don't want to. I want to kiss it.
again.
Eh? No, not again.
You got yours.
Yep.
Tables a turn now, aren't they?
I say, I'm more of a night fisherman, mate.
What are we looking at? 12,
12, 7, 8.
11, 10,
12, 7, basically.
minus
12, 8.
2.2 on this.
11. That's 10, 10, 5.
10.5. Speaking of what you boys said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yep.
I said it was about doubles.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, morning everyone. It's about 9 o'clock and we're all up and breakfast is on. Bacon. Hello. Can you see you? Yeah, there he is. So yeah.
Morning, boys.
So Andy had a couple more runs last night, didn't you? Before I decided to call it a night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do we call it at night? 2?
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock. We called it a night where we thought we'll get our heads down for a couple of hours. I did hear Craig's line go off a couple of times, but it was nothing but just a beep.
Jumping out of bed.
No, and I think I did. I just got into bed, and my line did go off, but I didn't show it because it was just a tiddly, really small one. So just chucked it back in and got back into the bed. But yeah, we'll see how today goes. Here till I don't know 4 or 5 o'clock. Craig, what time are you thinking of going?
Yeah, no later than that really.
Yeah, 4 or 5 o'clock. We're going to call it a day, and yeah, see what we can get out. Kenneth's been fishing. He sent me some pictures. Kenneth, I will try and get to look at the pictures, but internet here is not not the best. But yeah, he said he had a good day yesterday when he went. So yeah, hopefully later, before we go, we've got a bit more carp for you to look at. Into one. That's not a bad one.
I thought it was in the blank this morning.
Well, first one of the morning is Craigie boy. Yep, go on mate. Sorted. There we go. That's been in a long time, that, isn't it? Yeah. Since the first thing this morning. And it's now 11 o'clock, something like that. Yeah, up past 11. And the rain started to come. It is meant to rain today, so yeah. I'm going to go and get in the bivvy. See you later, boys. A little bit of an update, everyone. I've had a power nap.
Nana nap.
Yeah, I had a bit of a nap. Yeah, nothing. It's been quiet, isn't it, for the last.
I just had a little.
Oh, you just had one, have you?
I lost one and then I had a little recast and another couple of bleeps, but no fish actually in.
No. So no one's had nothing for a little while, and I'll turn you around and you can see
It's empty.
it's empty. Everyone's left. I think because we had a bit of wind and rain. I think some of them that were leaving today anyway. I decided to go a bit earlier than normal. Yeah, but let's get you in, mate.
Hello.
But yeah, another couple of hours, haven't we? And then we'll start packing up. I'm going to recast, rebait, recast out, and
See how it goes.
there we go. So, catch you soon.
Yeah, of course it is, mate. It's coming in. It's coming in your pivy, this one. Head up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just.
Put him down your
That's,
side,
that's why we come with him. Look,
mate.
he's
Sorted
set
it
his,
out, mate. Bless it.
baited him up, set him all out again.
Good man. Yes, mate. Happy.
As you can see, we're packing all our stuff away. Jim was at the van, and then I've never seen him run so quick for a bite. It was 5 seconds from it being my fish.
You can have it, mate.
Oh, that's a little babby. Lovely little fish in a few years' time.
Oh, doing it? Yeah. We're in. Move in then, mate. Come
I'm
on.
the little one you can see behind me, like being at school. Smallest at the front.
There we go. Anyway,
Yeah.
that's the end of the session. So, yeah,
Not bad.
good session. We have still got the rods in for now, but in another 5-10 minutes we'll be putting them in and off we go. Yeah, nice 36 hours we've had here. Cheers, Andy, for coming along, mate.
No,
Yeah.
thank you for inviting me.
Learned
That's
some,
it.
learned
Been a
some
good
things off
session.
him.
We have done, indeed. Yeah.
Great
One thing we
session.
learnt, which was most important, is don't invite him anymore. Because he got, well, I think he forgot counting, and he wasn't got 30s. Into his 30, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Well,
30 odd
you know,
fish,
A couple
yeah.
of 17
He's had
pounders.
some good, nice, good-looking fish, to be fair. Some of them are going to be proper crackers when they're a bit older.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Definitely. You know, so anyway, if you're new around here, please go ahead and subscribe. We're
Definitely, yeah.
getting up to that 400, 500,
500.
500 now. I lose count. Yeah, nearly get that 500. And obviously, when it gets to 500, there will be another giveaway, a
Good
£50.
bunch of lads, these are proper fishing, yeah?
Yeah.
Right.
You know, we don't know much, but
It's proper fishing though, like you see all them big channels and that lot, and they only edit in the good bits, I think.
Yeah.
Like, personally, I know they're good fishermen, but they edit in all the good bits, and we show everything. So,
Literally.
spot on, man.
Well, he does show everything. You'll probably see it.
Yeah, they've already have, haven't they?
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification button as well, and we'll all see you in the next one.
take care.
Well, we have said goodbye.
Well, we're in again.
We're in again. I said we was leaving it in for 5 minutes.
Very little if it is.
Oh well.
Yeah. Oh no, that's not bad. Ghosty, mate. It's your first ghosty.
Hey.
You happy, mate? You always wanted to catch a ghosty.
You get a catfish in the next half an hour.
Is that net big enough? Yeah, he's in. There we go. First ghosty for Craig. Got some shoulders on him, innit?
Yeah.
Let me just take a picture. Head up, mate. Yeah, there we go, mate. All sorted.